This song features one chord pattern. It's so easy. Get excited. We will start on a D major. That's a D, F sharp, A. For 2 measures, we're going to go to a B minor, B, D, F sharp. Optional 7th of an A. For some color. 2 measures of that. An E major, E, G sharp, B. 2 measures of that, they all will be. And our final chord, A major, A, C sharp, E. That'll be 2 measures. In one hand, the chord progression could sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, D. B minor. Add that A. E. To an A. Repeat. In 2 hands, that chord progression could look and sound like this, starting on D major, D, F sharp, A. 2, 3, 4. A. Repeat. D. B minor. Keep it rocking.